The Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra are all set to be released by Samsung in January of next year. However, some key features and color choices have already been leaked. After months of silence, new information has come to light about more online-only colors for these types. A person who works in the business says that the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus will only be available online in 3 colors: blue/black, coral red, and pink gold. On the other hand, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will come in 3 unique colors: titanium blue/black, titanium jade green, and titanium pink/silver. The only ones that reports say that colors are limited and are probably only available for online purchases. Samsung usually has a range of colors in its stores, but it saves some special choices for its online store. Here is a list of the colors that are available for each model: moonlight blue, silver shadow, sparkling blue, sparkling green, blue/black online only, coral red online only, and pink gold online only. It comes in midnight black, midnight blue, silver shadow, sparkling blue, sparkling green, blue/black online only, coral red online only, and pink gold online only. Titanium Ultra comes in titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver, titanium blue/black online only, titanium jade green online only, and titanium pink/silver online only. Consumers today want a balance between performance and energy economy. They don't want powerful processors that don't handle heat well or energy-efficient processors that don't work well. To keep up with phones like the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which has Apple's second generation 3M chip, Samsung needs to make sure the S25 Ultra meets standards for both speed and cooling. Reports say the company wants to improve the device's cooling technology to handle the heat from the powerful Oron CPU. This will be done by mixing new hardware with better software to control the temperature better. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.